how will they go about, or how does government go about deciding priorities? Because there are so many concerns right now. In a survey, they said the primary concern of Filipinos is inflation. The business sector is talking about agricultural crisis. The banking sector is talking about the peso-dollar devaluation. What should be the priority?
No, I think inflation is something that is overarching in terms of impact on people.
Mm-hmm.
So the rich, the poor, especially the poor, are going to be really adversely affected by inflation. So I think it's a correct priority. But inflation, in terms of addressing inflation, you have to do a lot of things. You have to make the economy grow faster. You have to make sure that you have the wherewithal to import what is not available in the Philippines, and make sure that the Bangko Sentral is not going to be raising interest rates too high, because then it will not be good for economic growth. But right now, for example, our interest policy rates are what we call the central bank interest rates.
Mm-hmm.
It used to be just 2%. It was very low, they kept it that low because they wanted the economy to really perk up because of the pandemic. But now that inflation is rearing its ugly head, it's already 6.1% inflation rate, which is 2.1% higher than the band. The band is supposed to be 2 to 4%.
Mm-hmm.
So the upper end of the band would be 4%. So now it's 6.1%. So it's time for the central bank to really be raising interest rates to dampen inflation.
Okay, by how many percent, Secretary Pernia?
Some people say that, I think Diwa Gunigundo was saying that the central bank raised interest rates too late. It should have done it. Diwa Gunigundo was a central deputy governor before.
Yes,
and he said it should have been done sometime in February, when the inflation rate was already showing. Was already beginning to peak, to pick up. But then it's only recent that the central bank decided to raise policy rates by 25 basis points.
Mm-hmm.
And the next one is likely to be 50 basis points.